guys, straight ahead for Sargento on 3, say cheese! 1, 2, 3, cheese!
I know it's my background road courses, but you know, I wasn't expecting racing against Jacques Villeneuve and rolled out of Veterans of the Year that have been running in this track and nationwide since a while. And you know, I didn't know the car, I didn't know the track, and we came here, got the pole, fastest lap, and won the race. So there's nothing else I could have wanted.
Alright guys, straight ahead for Grant, here we go! 1, 2, 3, woo!
Nelson P.K. Jr. wins here at Road America, his first NASCAR major touring.
I've heard it more than 100 times. You know, it's a long race, be calm. These are big cars, very heavy. Be careful with the brakes. So I was very patient. You know, when I lost the lead, I just stuck behind and waited for my chance. And one of the last restarts, we got back my position and just took off. You know, I just maintained it. The car was good at the end, and just perfect.
North Carolina, Morgan Shepherd.
I have it clean, huh?
Rain-X.
Oh, Rain-X, nice.
This is it's raining.
Jack got himself in a bit of a mess behind me, and I used that to, you know, get a bit of a distance and take control of the race. So it's all about being in the right time, the right place.
From Nova Plata, Brazil, Miguel Paludo.
Guys, straight ahead for AccuDoc, here we go! 1, 2, 3, woo!
It's a road course, so it's kind of where I grew up. You know, it's second time driving cars like this on a road course. So there's still a little few things that I was getting used to during the race, but it's so far away. It's probably the furthest, you know, from Brazil here in America. You know, we're close to here in Canada here. So. I hope this opens a little bit the eyes of team bosses and sponsorships, because obviously next year I'm looking for a ride for Nationwide. I hope this helps me a little bit, but yeah, it's great. I just hope my family would be here with me to celebrate a little bit, and can't wait to go back home. And next Thursday I have another race of trucks. Go back to the trucks, back to the ovals. The good thing is that 2 hours before the race started, they decided to put it live in Brazil, and it wasn't supposed to be live. So I mean, that was great. So thank you for whoever managed to accomplish that. I think there was a lot of pressure of the fans on Twitter and on Facebook, so they managed to put it live on TV. So that was great. All the Brazilian fans managed to watch the race live.
Staff, concessionaires, security, everyone it takes to put on a weekend like this. Thank you. Competition far more than the twisting serpentine road courses.
1, 2, 3, That's all, guys.